Did I say quesadillas?
You did say quesadillas.
Quesadilla. Quesadillas. One of these days I'm gonna get it right. Today we're making shrimp quesadillas, and I've got, did I say it right?
Sure.
Did I say it wrong again?
Close enough.
Okay, they're cheesy, they've got onions, peppers, shrimp, and I've got Kelly King, one of our Griddle Crew members, which is an ambassador program that we have with Blackstone. She's here today to learn a few tricks with filming and posting pictures, which she does all the time, so check out her food. But today, we're having lunch together. You ready to get cooking?
I am, let's do it.
Let's show everybody how to make these cheesy shrimp quesadillas. There you go. Shrimp quesadillas, Kelly. Are we ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I've got some shrimp already peeled, deveined in a bowl. I'm gonna drizzle over a little bit of oil and season it up with the Blackstone street taco seasoning. We'll add to this a little bit of garlic powder, some lime juice, and some fresh cilantro. Let this marinate while I have Kelly cut up my veggies.
Sure thing, Betty. I love that we have all the colors for the peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and get them cut up, clean out the middles of the peppers, and then strip them up. Go ahead and get my onions cut up and chop up the cilantro to go with it. All right, Betty, what's next?
Well, I've already got our griddle on medium-high heat, so Kelly, drop those peppers and onions down. Add a little more oil, give them a toss, and how about we add some garlic paste? I love extra garlic on everything.
Absolutely, so do I. You can't go wrong with more garlic.
All right, we'll let these hang out until they are, I like my peppers tender. I don't want them too cooked down. How about you? How do you like yours?
I like mine with a little bit of char, but I still want that crunch.
While you keep an eye on those peppers and keep them moving, I'm gonna drizzle down a little more oil, drop down our shrimp, and let these cook for about 2 minutes per side. There's nothing worse than overcooked shrimp. Now, once they're done, I'm gonna slide them aside. We have this burner off. Kelly, I'm stealing your peppers and onions, moving them aside as well. Let's drop down some tortillas and get them loaded up. Now, I love my tortillas, my quesadillas. Is that good?
That was perfect.
I like them extra stuffed, like overloading your quesadillas. I love them nice and fat, so load them up for me.
Those shrimp look perfect.
Thank you, Kelly. Let's go over the top with a big handful of some queso fresco cheese, some cilantro, top them off with a tortilla, and then I'm gonna let Kelly keep flipping these back and forth until that cheese is melted through so that these tortillas and everything I overloaded them with sticks inside of these. And of course, we were having a little bit too much fun.
So they got a little crispy, but it'll be all right.
Yeah, we'll zhuzh them up with a little bit of cilantro, and how about some crema over the top?
Perfection.
Kelly, this has been so much fun. I really do enjoy cooking with other people more than I like cooking by myself. It's always fun with a friend. I hope that everybody in Griddle Nation tries these shrimp quesadillas this summer.
That was perfect.
I know it was.
Thank you so much for having me. Seriously, I've had a blast.
I love that you were here. I love that you're part of our Griddle Crew. You guys have to check her out at Kelly King. What's the rest of your handle?
It's just Kelly King on Facebook and Kelly J King 76 on Instagram.
Yes, find her, follow her, check out her recipes. You share a lot of fun recipes that you guys can take and make at home. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. This is Kelly King. Go make some shrimp quesadillas, family style.
That's right.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.